Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers today? It was a fantastic listen. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to subscribe. The bull run officially started. I mean, Bitcoin is chilling at $90,000. Things are moving faster than ever. And you know what? The next few weeks are going to be crucial, okay? Because the longer you wait, the worse buy-in position you'll get, and the less profit you'll get, and the higher risk. So right now, the last few weeks, I'd say before, the New Year's are the most critical in locking in, learning, paying attention, and putting your money into the market, okay? Listen, guys, Bitcoin Cash, very, very big news, which I've seen no one talk about. Pretty much a couple days ago, it was confirmed that they are going to do this Bitcoin Cash plan for 2025. Now, I didn't even know about this until recently, right? There's been this big blueprint with updates for Bitcoin Cash. There's been so many developments pretty much since 2009, 2010, right? And just a couple days ago, it's been confirmed that the 2025 one is going to happen, guys. Listen, there's a lot here, and I'm going to put it in the most simple terms, okay? This is good news. This equals coin goes higher, okay? The only slight concern is the timing. It's not the worst, but I wish it was just a month earlier, but that's okay. It is coming out mid-May, okay? So last cycle, we had one top around mid-May, and the second cycle topped around late October, I believe. And listen, guys, so there's two possibilities, right? Bitcoin Cash could have a double pump, or Bitcoin Cash's all-time high is going to be at the second pump. So, either way, it's still looking good, right? Or if the altcoin season happens a little later, like in June this time, then this is actually fantastic, okay? So we don't know 100%, right? But there are a few scenarios, and pretty much this news that's going to be coming out is very good fundamental news that will boost your coin higher. Now, I'm going to break down the coin very, very quickly, right? Overall, it is the time to buy. When we look at this chart, we are on the weekly, so every candle you see is 1 week's worth of data. Bitcoin Cash has been fundamentally going up and down very, very well over pretty much the last few weeks, and now we've had a big pump, right? A big pump. Very good, clean candle. It's broken structure, right? Small sell-off, small pullback is normal, but overall, right now, you are at a time in terms of buying Bitcoin Cash. For me, I believe, with Bitcoin rising more and more, I think right now is a great opportunity. If price were to be really stingy and things were to go back a little bit more, you could see sub 400. But you got to remember, time is more limited, and right now you cannot be too stingy with your price. Better just to get in at 430 than, to miss the train and have to buy in mid 500s or 600s, right? So where do I think Bitcoin Cash is going to go? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I believe, my first target, which is a very conservative target, right, is this weekly institutional candle around pretty much $1,200. So that would be roughly 3 times your money right now, right? A little bit more, a little bit less, depending on how high it spikes and where you cash out. But for me, that's not the main target. My first target would definitely be over this all-time high, ladies and gentlemen, right? If we take it from the relevant price right now to the all-time high, that is roughly 4x. Now, Bitcoin Cash is sitting around 8 billion market cap, a little bit more, and I do think it will go to the 40-50 billion market cap for all-time high, potentially even higher. So I do think it going up to roughly $2,000 is very, very realistic. Now, Bitcoin Cash can go even further, but I don't want to overhype you guys, okay? I don't want to sell you a false dream just yet. We need more evidence, we need more data. But for me, that 2,000 to 2,500 area is very, very realistic. And I think, that would make a lot of sense. We could use another tool like the Fibonacci tool, right? If we take the Fibonacci tool, take it from the last all-time high to the bottoms. And if we flip this very quickly, right, we can see that the 1.6, a conservative price target, is pretty much, a little bit over 2,500. So like I was saying, right, in terms of this tool, we could even see it's 3,700, right? Highest point this believes it's going to go to is over $5,000, which I said, it is technically possible, but it would really, really require for Bitcoin to go up a lot. Bitcoin Cash to really, improve its fundamentals and for there to be a lot of money. One step at a time, $2,500 is my first target, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time.